Are you tired of sitting back and waiting for people to walk through your doors? Do you wish there was a way to bring your sales center to thousands of realtors, potential buyers, and leading professionals in the home design industry in just one long weekend? Join us and be featured in the Developer Showcase at the Home Designer Remodeling Show, where you bring your sales center and your team to the home show. Share floor plans, renderings, and architectural models to the thousands of real estate agents, industry professionals, and the public looking to discover the best of what is offered to South Florida home living. The Home Designer Remodeling Show offers you the opportunity to be part of an event, an experience that curates the single largest advertising campaign for the home industry in any one weekend. Our media strategies extend beyond mass forms of media such as television, radio, billboards, print media, social media, and more. We curate highly targeted strategies through digital and streaming, direct mail, and other forms of invitation. In exclusive partnership with the Broward, Palm Beaches, and St. Lucie Realtors, I'm excited to introduce the Developer Showcase at the Home Designer Remodeling Show. As South Florida rapidly becomes a hub for the world's most high-tech and luxurious skyscrapers and single-family communities, we offer a platform for you to shine. Let's connect you with thousands of potential buyers and industry professionals alike who are all eager to see what you have to offer. Join us at the next home show and be part of the future of South Florida living. We look forward to seeing you at the show.